Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you today. When I pulled up this week's spread to start decorating it, I thought that the photos, there were a lot of faces in the photos. There was a lot going on, there were a lot of photos, and so I thought I would try a more neutral spread, which I like to do from time to time when I have, a lot of photos like these. So what I've done to begin is I've gone to Pixel Scrapper and I just typed in white paper to the graphics area, and then I just browsed through and downloaded some of the papers that caught my eye. So this is just a random collection of basically white papers with slightly different patterns on them that I'm going to use to create the background here for my spread. And then once I've got my papers in place here, I will have a few empty spots that I will go and look for some pocket cards. So here I'll get started doing that. There are lots of ways to search for things on Pixel Scrapper, and I decide to find the pocket cards I want. I'm just looking through all of the actual kits just to see, if there's a collection that maybe kind of suits things, or I don't know, sometimes it's just easier to find what you want when they're all together like this. So I'm just opening up a couple different kits that catch my eye, and then I will look inside the kit for the different files, and then you can see here I'm just downloading one from each of these kits, and then I'll put those in. So at this point, everything is still just a random collection that I've just found searching things on Pixel Scrapper. And I'm going to put this H in here, which I'm eventually going to come back and tweak the color blue on that. But I need one more pocket card, and while I was looking, I kind of liked the look of those Wild Child cards. So I get another one from that kit. And now I don't like how the navy and that blue card go together, so I'm going to kind of just mess with the hue here on the home card, and I'm going to make it a little more brown so that it's a bit closer to that brown up in that top corner, although it's not exact. And then since I have two of those cards from the Wild Child bundle, I decide maybe I'll just pull some of the elements from that bundle to finish things off here. So sometimes I will continue with my random theme and just pull a bunch of random elements, but in this case I thought there were a lot of nice elements in that particular bundle, so I made things easy on myself and just downloaded what I found there. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.